CORZ stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have done 40,000 videos, spent 5 figures. I mean, courses, mentors, right? 5 years into the craft. You can literally check out my YouTube channel. But my exact approach with CORZ, first thing on the list is going to be the whole trends, which I'm in love, you know. I've been talking about this trend where, like, what all this meant was I had a very, very bullish drives here, but the only thing that I kind of wanted to see was a shift, a proper shift, and I still want to see that. I'm not gonna settle for what we have, you know. This is not bullish for me. I'm not content. So if there's like a shift and a double break, that will be awesome. And that's all I really look at now. Like, even it's, I know it's 4-hour charts, so it might take time, but from a swing type approach, yeah, not willing to force nothing bullish unless there's that shift. And yeah, it's crucial, but we'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free email.